There it is. All right, go back. Get that. Yo, what the hell? What the hell is this?
Give me a fucking break.
That's exactly what I need. Goddamn. I'll be right back, chat. Hold on.